The story of the 6 medals. When you celebrate an Olympic Games, and by the way, let's also tell you that we could still get a 7th tomorrow when the verdict comes out. The first medal was courtesy Manu Bhaker. And we were all excited around noon, Paris time, Chateauroux time. The first medal redemption for Manu Bhaker after Tokyo, and that started our Paris journey. That was the first medal, and always the first medal is very, very critical. It was day 2, and India managed it. Thereafter, a second medal, thanks to the mixed, Manu Bhaker and Sarabjot Singh. After that painful exit from Sarabjot Singh, 577, that tie break, that shoot off, rather the count back. The third medal, and by the way, I'm very pleased for Sarabjot Singh because he deserved to even make the final in the individual, and that 577 was tough on him. The third medal was Swapnil Kusale. Now, in all of this, that was a medal that sort of gave us a bit of a surprise because we all thought Aishwari Tomar was more favoured, but Swapnil was brilliant. Swapnil was absolutely brilliant in the final, and as repeatedly said to Rev Sports, it was all about patience. Swapnil Kusale was all about patience. He performed astoundingly well under pressure. He was 5th after the first 2 series, then came up. Then there was a bit of a lull. The lull because we were not getting medals. We were coming close. Even that Vinesh Fogart thing, we came close. We came very, very close, and who knows. Then eventually medal number 4 thanks to hockey. What an incredible performance from the hockey team. Harmanpreet Singh, Srijesh, that Spain, 44 seconds on the clock and that penalty corner. We had our hearts in our mouths. Srijesh managed to save that. Incredible. Back-to-back medals after Tokyo and this one, tremendous for Indian hockey. Tremendous. Medal number 5, of course, was Golden Boy. This time silver, but he is the golden boy of Indian sport, 89.45, Neeraj Chopra. Arshad Nadeem's night, but Neeraj Chopra doing us hugely proud once again with that silver medal winning throw. And last but not the least was Aman Sherawat. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Yes, he lost the bout against Higuchi, but as he said, he could well be a gold medal contender for LA 28. Overall, kind of underwhelming because of the number of medals. We should have gotten to 10 when you think of the number of 4th place finishes. But here we are celebrating our medal winners. They have made India proud. It is very important we recognize them and celebrate them. To all of them, many congratulations on behalf of everyone here on Rev Sports and on behalf of every fan. Enjoy them, enjoy these bites, enjoy these visuals, and celebrate them more.
Manu, many congratulations. Just take us through those last moments. How does it feel to be up there on the podium with the Indian flag going up? How was it?
Many thanks, firstly. Well, the feeling was surreal, and I had dreamt of it my whole life. If not whole life, then most of the life. So 8.5 years in my career, and I was like, the moment I got to know about the Olympic Games, I was like, I want to, win a medal for India. But definitely the dream is of gold. Although I always have we have more opportunities on the way. Maybe like couple of days, maybe like 4 years or whatever. Yeah, I'll try my best in all the events. However it turns out to be, I'll just accept however it is. So yes, it has been a dream of mine, and yeah, today I see my dream in my hands.
Absolutely.
सरबजोत, ब्रॉन्ज मेडल, कैसी फीलिंग आ रही है?
काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज ये मेरा पहला ओलंपिक है और एक्सपेक्ट तो मैं ज़्यादा लेके आया था घर से, बट ठीक है अभी इंडिविजुअली मेरा इतना अच्छा नहीं गया क्योंकि काफ़ी चीज़ें डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गया था बीच में, तो सारा कुछ उसको निकालते टाइम फिर मिक्स टीम का सोचा था कि अब मिक्स टीम में करूँगा अपना बेस्ट, तो काफ़ी अच्छा गया और प्रेशर भी था, बट उसको कैसे मैंने वो हैंडल किया वो बस.
What a pleasure and joy to watch you for 2 days. How are you feeling? It's a very, very obvious question. How are you feeling when you shot, and how are you feeling with the medal around your neck?
I'm feeling a little hungry right now because I didn't had anything. But yeah, I'm feeling proud and I'm an Indian who to own the medal for the India, and I'm proud to be Indian. Actually.
Are you talking of hunger as in wanting to win more medals, or are you talking about hunger in the stomach belly?
Yeah, the both, and medals also and the food also right now.
Okay.
Neeraj Chopra is a dear friend, but one of India's greatest athletes, and I'm on record today to say he's India's greatest athlete of all time. Last time when I wrote this, he called me at 1 a.m. saying, "आप क्यों लिख रहे हैं?" मैं अभी लिख सकता हूँ. 2 consecutive Olympic medal, Diamond League, World Championship, Asian Games. ये consistency कहाँ से आता है? एक भी competition ऐसे नहीं गया जहाँ नीरज चोपड़ा podium finish
नहीं, बिल्कुल जी। सबसे पहले तो काफी अच्छा रहा ओलंपिक्स, और सीजन बेस्ट हुई क्वालिफिकेशन राउंड में भी और फाइनल में भी। कंपटीशन काफी तगड़ा था ऑल ओवर देखे तो, मतलब अभी तक की हिस्ट्री का मुझे लगता है वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कंपटीशन था जेवलिन हिस्ट्री का। और वही है, मेहनत काफी कर रहे थे इसके लिए, और पेरिस ओलंपिक का पहले से ही था कि हाँ अच्छे से तैयारी करनी है, और अच्छा रहा। मतलब तैयारी भी अच्छी चल रही थी, बस थोड़ी सी रुकावट आई वो ग्रोइंग की वजह से, पर जिस तरीके से सीजन बेस्ट थ्रो लगी और परफॉर्मेंस रही तो काफी अच्छी थी।
Why? Why are you doing this to us, to yourself and to the whole country? Why? Reconsider, no. Seriously reconsider.
See, let me go home. Enjoy some time with family. See, they are all waiting for me, and I think we talk business later.
Okay, describe it. Describe it. That Tokyo 6 sevens on the clock, 6 seconds, penalty corner. 44 seconds on the clock, penalty corner. 38 seconds on the clock, penalty corner. Describe it.
See, it's this is what happens when one team is desperate to get a goal. They come like anything. They try to attack you with more energy. And being a defender, I think most of the times sometimes we get pressure. We commit easy mistakes, so that's how we give away easy PCs. But I think the players had that confidence that even if we consider PC, we are there to save it. And the defense done a wonderful job throughout this tournament. I think more than 40 or 45 PCs or 50 PCs we considered throughout this tournament, and we considered the less goals. So we were really confident about that. But still, I believe in something. It says that the God has a plan for me, and that 6 seconds and this 38 seconds, it's for me to show my face to the country, to my country people for the last time.
अमन सहरावत पेरिस ओलंपिक्स में पहले रेसलर बने हैं जो भारत के लिए मेडल जीता है। अमन यार ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीता है, खुश हो जाओ, थोड़े से स्माइल ले आओ। कैसा फीलिंग होता है जब देश का तिरंगा ऊपर जाता है, कैसा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है, पर ऐसे गोल्ड पर जाता तो और भी अच्छा लगता है।
और आज के बाउट के पहले आपके मन में क्या चल रहा था, क्योंकि पोर्टोरिको के जो ब्लेसर है वो भी अच्छे काफ़ी है, और ब्रॉन्ज मेडल मैच को तो हमेशा टफ होता है।
कुश्ती से पहला तो बस यही चल रहा था भाई क्या रहेगा, पूरा देशवासी देख रहे होंगे कुश्ती को ऐसे, पर जब मैच पे हम चढ़ गए तो बस सब कुछ खत्म हो गया। जब अपनी कुश्ती, हाँ भाई जो प्लान बनाया था उसी के हिसाब से लड़ेंगे।